Hey folks, OLE MIKE here. Gotta do it Ric Flair style. Woo! I told y'all it was gonna be a good game, but look. Oh, what is this I see? Laying on the ground so quietly. Oh, it's the mighty bell that rings so loud all day long. But now you can't even hear that cowbell song. It don't ringle, jingle, or make a sound. And it just got left littered laying there all on the ground. But that's what happens when you fight the tide. When you ain't got the energy to finish the ride. And all the day, when the day is done, Bama's still your daddy. And we number one. Roll Tide!